In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite additional attendees to a Microsoft Outlook meeting. If you've already created a meeting in Outlook and later realize someone else needs to join, the good news is that updating the invite is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add more people to an existing meeting and send them the updated invitation. To begin, open Outlook and go to your calendar. This is where all of your scheduled meetings and appointments are stored. Once you're in the calendar view, find the meeting you want to update. It helps to make sure you're selecting the correct event, especially if you have several meetings scheduled on the same day. Next, click on the existing meeting. This opens the meeting details where you can review the title, date, time, and current attendees before making any changes. Taking a moment to confirm these details can help prevent accidentally editing the wrong event. After the meeting opens, click on Edit. This switches the meeting from view mode into edit mode, which allows you to make changes to the invitation. If you don't enter edit mode, you won't be able to update the attendee list. Now go to the attendees field and add the email address of the person or people you want to invite. Be careful to enter each address correctly so the invitation reaches the right recipients. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may be able to type directly into the attendee area or select names from your contact suggestions. If you're adding multiple people, make sure each one is included before moving on. Once the new attendees have been added, click Send. This is the final step that updates the meeting and sends the invitation out. Without clicking Send, your changes won't be applied, so this part is important. Outlook will then notify the added attendees and update the meeting details accordingly, and that's it. You've successfully added more attendees to an existing Microsoft Outlook meeting. This is especially useful when plans change, a new team member needs to be included, or someone was accidentally left out the original invite. If you're doing this often, a helpful habit is to quickly review the attendee list before sending any meeting invitation in the first place. But if you ever need to make changes afterward, now you know exactly how to do it.